Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce product brand management topic. Product and brand. Product, an item ready for sale in the market, and brand, distinguish a product from other product. It is what customer needed in product category. In brand category, it was what customer want. In product category can be copied. In brand category cannot be copied. In product category produced by manufacturer. In brand category created by consumer in their mind. In product category can easily be replaced. In brand category cannot be replaced. In product category product performs specific function. In brand category a brand offer value. In product category product can be replaced with time. In brand category brand remain forever. What is product management? Product management is an integral part of marketing function and include a whole range of activities pertaining to product planning and development and extend itself to brand building and management. Product planning does include basic corporate plan and marketing plan from which the product plan emerge. Generally, product plan consider product strategies like product line, its length and breadth, line stretching, bed upward and downward. The idea of introducing new product does also come under the preview of product planning. Product management also consider conceptual issue like product life cycle, planning for a new product and its related issue on pricing, promotion and distribution. Scope of product management. Area of product management: product discover, product planning, product development. What is brand management? Brand management is a function of marketing that uses a technique to increase the perceived value of a product line or a brand over time. Effective brand management enable the price of product to go up and build loyal customers through positive brand association and image or a strong awareness of the brand. Developing a strategic plan to maintain brand equity or gain brand value require a comprehensive understanding of the brand, its target market, and the company's overall vision. Why is brand management important? Brand management is important because it dictates how public market perceives goods. Without brand management, consumers may not become loyal to a product line or may not choose to repeat purchases with the company after a positive experience. Effective brand management may lead to not only to greater sales quantities in short term but a greater long term financial success due to long term customers. Benefits of brand management: distinguished product. According to the most recent US data, there were overall 250,000 full service restaurants in the United States as of 2019. Strong brand management is necessary if any of these restaurants want to be recognized apart from their competitors. Strong employee engagement. A brand management begins with the internal buy-in of the values, principles, and perceptions of a product. By ensuring all people in a company are part of the brand management process, employees may be more likely to buy into the strategic plan of the brand and company. Increase sales quantity. Tough never a given stronger brand management that drive brand loyalty and brand equity may drive stronger sales quantity. As more consumers are tied to a brand and positively recognize a brand, they are more likely to choose it over an unfamiliar alternatives. Increase CLV, customer lifetime value. In addition to greater sales quantities, brand management drives stronger value over the lifespan of a customer. Customers are more likely to repeat a purchase if they have a positive experience and may be more likely to buy different product along the same product line if they forge strong brand loyalty with a single brand. Leverage pricing. If a company has a strong reputation with the market, their brand management may be leveraged to other product. This means a company can sell product at a premium if their brand invoke a strong enough connection to consumers. less loyalty, volatile market position. Through company always risk depreciation financial result during market downturns. Companies with a strong brand management may be able to wear the storm easier. This is because consumer may find it non-negotiable to deviate from companies they have a strong positive association with even during inclement financial items. Thank you.